Allow me first to begin by expressing my most sincere gratitude to be part of this first urban forum. Secondly, it is encouraging to see that this forum is the first to bring all important players from Kenya and beyond together to discuss the urban agenda. This demonstrates the enormous and growing importance of the urban areas for development. The theme chosen for the conference, namely Strategic Pathways to Inclusive and Sustainable Urbanization in Kenya, is very important and timely, especially since it comes at a time when we just hosted the United Nations Habitat Assembly under the theme of a sustainable urban future through inclusive and effective multilateralism, achieving the sustainable development goals in terms of global crises. Your Excellency, over the years, concern about urban sustainability has received more attention in the global development discussion. At the center of this discussion is the Sustainable Development Goals, particularly number 11, which is sustainable cities and communities, whose mission is to make, and I quote, make cities inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable, and the new urban agenda. The Sustainable Development Goal number 11 and the new urban agenda represents a shift in international development cooperation from a focus on poverty as a rural phenomenon to recognizing that cities, especially in the global south, are facing major challenges with extreme poverty, environmental degradation, and risks due to climate change and natural disasters. You go to any urban area or to any city, you'll find a macrocosm of Kenya. The Kenya that we want to build is not found so much in the rural areas, but in the cities and in the urban areas. So I think it is important, since the future is urban, to put effort to make sure that our cities are planned and developed in the context of the discussion we're going to have in this forum.